In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Board tab to organize your project workflow. To get started, open your project and look at the top of the screen for the Board tab. This is the area where you can visually manage your work in a simple, clear way. Boards are especially useful when you want to see the status of tasks at a glance, rather than reading through a long list. Once you select the Board tab, you'll be taken to a layout that's designed to help you track progress from one phase of work to the next. The first thing you'll want to do is create columns that represent the different stages of your workflow. A common setup is to do, doing, and done. These phases help separate tasks based on where they are in the process. To do is for work that hasn't started yet. Doing is for tasks currently in progress. And done is for anything that has been completed. You can think of these columns as a visual roadmap for your project. Keeping your phases simple makes the board easier to understand, especially if multiple people will be looking at it. Once your columns are in place, start adding cards under each one. Cards represent individual tasks, so each card should contain one clear piece of work. As you add tasks, place them in the column that matches their current status. For example, if something hasn't been started, it should go under to do. If someone is actively working on it, place it in doing. If the task is complete, move it to done. This setup helps everyone quickly understand what needs attention and what has already been finished. As work progresses, you can drag and drop cards horizontally across the board to reflect changes in status. This is one of the most useful parts of working in a board view, because updating progress becomes fast and visual. Instead of editing multiple fields or opening each task individually, you can simply move a card from one column to the next. For example, when a task begins, drag it from to do into doing. When it's finished, move it into done. Keeping the board updated regularly is what makes it truly effective. A well-maintained board gives you a real-time snapshot of your project and helps reduce confusion around who is working on what. With just a few columns and task cards, you can turn a project into an easy-to-follow workflow that's simple to manage and easy for your team to understand.